Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete old profile picture on Telegram. So if you change your Telegram profile picture a couple of times and now you want to delete the old Telegram profile picture, then here's a video for you. So if I don't know this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete old profile picture on Telegram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Telegram application. So just search for Telegram, open it. Click on the menu icon at the top left, click on my profile, click on your profile picture. Then this is my active profile picture. Now to delete old profile picture, all you need to do is click on it and go to the profile picture you want to delete. Click on the three dots at top right, click on delete from the pop. Then you see, are you sure you want to delete this photo? Go ahead and click on delete. Repeat this on all other photos you have on your Telegram to delete all your old profile picture, and then we are good. So that is basically how to delete old profile picture on Telegram. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.